Despite Atlas being one of the most advanced humanoid robots in the world that was released a decade ago, it is not yet ready for the real-world job in 2024, while new robots like Digit, Figure 01, and Tesla's Optimus are about to start working in the real world. This of course makes you wonder why is it still under development for all these years, and whether it is still leading in terms of the most advanced humanoid robots in 2024. This robot is very advanced. It is capable of performing impressive feats of agility, balance, and manipulation. It can run, jump, climb, and even do backflips. It is powered by a custom battery and a compact hydraulic system that gives it high power and speed. It uses sensors in its body and legs to balance, and LiDAR and stereo cameras in its head to avoid obstacles, assess the terrain, and manipulate objects. But as impressive as Atlas is, it is not ready for the real-world job, and cannot compete with other humanoid robots that are being developed for various industries and applications, and here's why. First, Atlas is still a research platform, not a commercial product. Boston Dynamics uses Atlas to explore the potential of the humanoid form factor, and to push the limits of whole-body mobility and bimanual manipulation. Atlas is not designed for specific applications or industries, but rather for general-purpose research and development. Therefore, it is not optimized for cost, efficiency, or reliability, and it may not meet the requirements or standards of real-world customers or regulators. Second, Atlas is very expensive and complex to operate and maintain. It is estimated that Atlas costs around $1 million to build, and it requires a lot of power, cooling, and supervision. It also uses hydraulic actuators, which are noisy, bulky, and prone to leaks. Atlas needs a team of engineers and technicians to monitor and control it, and to fix any problems that may arise. Third, Atlas is not very versatile or adaptable to different environments and tasks. Atlas is designed to mimic human motion and behavior, but it is not able to do everything that humans can do. Initially, Atlas could only perform predefined actions and follow scripted scenarios, and it could not learn from its own experience or feedback. But thanks to advancements in AI and reinforcement learning, Atlas might soon be able to do tasks by just observing how humans do it, like the case with Figure humanoid robot making coffee. These are some of the reasons why Atlas is not yet ready for the real-world job and why it is still under development. However, this does not mean that Atlas is not a remarkable robot or that it will never be ready for the real world. On the contrary, Atlas is a pioneer and a leader in the field of humanoid robotics, and it has inspired and influenced many other robots that are more specialized and more suited for real-world applications. One of these robots is Digit, the bipedal robot from Agility Robotics. Digit is the first mobile manipulation robot made for connecting automation technologies. Digit is designed to operate both outdoors and inside buildings, and to perform tasks such as package delivery, warehouse work, and retail assistance. Digit is electrically powered and has a battery life of up to 5 hours. It is also equipped with LiDAR and cameras for perception and navigation, and it can communicate with other devices and systems. Digit is designed for logistics, warehousing, and delivery, and it is already being used by companies like Amazon. Digit is more compact, lighter, and quieter than Atlas, and it has a longer battery life and a higher payload capacity. It is also more cost-effective, reliable, and user-friendly than Atlas, and it has been tested and deployed in various real-world scenarios, such as delivering packages to customers' doors and working in warehouses and factories. Digit is more affordable than Atlas, costing around $250,000 and more energy efficient. Another robot that is more ready for the real-world job than Atlas is Figure 01, the humanoid robot from Figure. 01 is the first commercially viable general-purpose humanoid robot, and it is designed to integrate seamlessly into the workforce and to address labor shortages. 01 combines the dexterity of the human form with cutting-edge AI to perform a wide range of tasks in various industries, such as manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and retail. It is electrically powered and electromechanically actuated, and it uses sensors in its body and arms to balance, and cameras and microphones in its head to perceive and communicate. It is also controlled by a proprietary AI system that enables it to think, learn, and interact with its environment and with humans. It uses artificial intelligence and reinforcement learning to adapt to new situations and tasks. It can also collaborate with humans and other robots and share its knowledge and skills. It is more agile, flexible, and expressive than Atlas, and it has a longer runtime and a higher speed. 01 is also more scalable, adaptable, and compatible than Atlas, and it has been demonstrated and validated in various real-world settings, such as making coffee. It is designed for manufacturing, retail, and other industries, and it has a partnership with BMW to start working in its South Carolina manufacturing facility. A third robot that is more ready for the real-world job than Atlas is Optimus Humanoid Robot, the humanoid robot from Tesla. It is the latest humanoid robot from Tesla, and it is designed to do anything that humans don't want to do, such as dangerous, repetitive, or boring tasks. It features Tesla-designed actuators and sensors, faster and more capable hands, faster walking, lower total weight, an articulated neck, and more. Tesla Optimus Bot is also controlled by the same AI system that Tesla is developing for its cars, and it can learn from its own experience and from human demonstrations. It is more advanced, efficient, and versatile than Atlas, and it has a higher carrying capacity and a higher degree of freedom. It is also more innovative, futuristic, and visionary than Atlas, and it has been shown and praised in various media outlets, such as YouTube, Reuters, and Forbes. It is expected to be cheaper than Figured 01 or Atlas, costing around $20,000 and more user-friendly. It is not ready for the real-world job yet, but it is expected to begin working alongside humans in the assembly lines of Tesla's electric vehicles this 2024. Of course, these are just some of the robots that are more ready for the real-world job than Atlas and that are about to start working in the real world. They are not competitors or rivals of Atlas, but rather successors and beneficiaries of Atlas. They are built on the foundations and achievements of Atlas, and they are pushing the boundaries and possibilities of humanoid robotics further and further. They are not perfect or flawless, and they still face many challenges and limitations, but they are closer and closer to becoming useful and ubiquitous in our lives. And of course, as more and more robots find jobs in the human world, the fear of robots eventually replacing us from jobs keeps on growing. As of now, we can hope for the best, and we know that for sure we will adapt to the new situations and find our usefulness alongside AI and robots. Click here to watch my latest video on the update of Atlas Humanoid Robot in 2024. If you have been wondering what has been happening with Atlas Robot and where it has been, then this is the right video for you to click right now. And of course, we always release the latest information that we have on matters regarding robotics, so don't forget sub.